how to update your HelloFresh address or zip code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you moved or need to update your delivery info, well here is how to update your address or zip code in the HelloFresh mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on your profile icon or the menu button. And after that, you simply have to find and tap delivery address or manage addresses. And once you do that, on the new page, you simply have to update your street address, city, state, and zip code as needed. And once you're done with that, you simply have to tap save or update to confirm. And with that, your delivery info will be updated. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.